In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Confluence. First, let's get you to the right place. Open your browser and go to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account, then from the left panel, select the space you want to work in. Spaces are simply collections of pages for a team or project. Click the page you want to open so we can make your content stand out and easier to scan. There are two simple ways to highlight in Confluence, depending on what you need. If you want a marker style effect on specific words or phrases, use the text highlight option. Click and drag to select the text you want to emphasize. Look up to the upper toolbar and find the letter icon. It looks like a capital A. Click it and choose a highlight color. This adds a colored background behind the words you selected, just like using a highlighter pen. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, you may be viewing the page instead of editing it, so switch into edit mode first. As a tip, use highlight colors sparingly so your most important points stand out. A classic yellow is great for emphasis, and make sure the text remains readable against the background for accessibility. Now, if you want to highlight an entire block of content, like a call out or a warning, use panels. Click on a blank line and type a /. This opens the command menu where you can pick a macro. Type /info to create a blue box that's perfect for general information. Type /note to get a purple box for side notes. Type /success to add a green box for items like action completed or approved. Type /warning to show a yellow box that signals be careful. And type /error to create a red box for do not do this messages. After you insert a panel, simply type inside it. Everything in that box is highlighted with the panel's colored background, which makes the content hard to miss and easy to scan. These two methods work great together. Use the marker style highlight to draw attention to keywords or deadlines, and use panels to frame important sections like summaries, cautions, or final decisions. Keep your page clean by highlighting only what truly matters, and choose colors consistently so readers quickly learn what each color means. Before you share the page, give it a quick read to confirm the highlights support your message rather than distract from it. That's all you need to start highlighting text in Confluence. Thanks for watching.